Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I have an unboxing of a watch that I picked up on AliExpress. We're going to take a look at this watch in just a minute, but before we get started, as always, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my current subscribers. You guys are the best. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all your interaction with the channel, as it always does help out. All of your liking, subscribing, and leaving comments, and just your general interaction is very, very much appreciated. I'm so glad you like this content, and I'm going to keep it coming to you. I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. If you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel today, be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, my other channel, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to footwear also. So without further ado, let's get into this box and check out the watch that I do have for you today. Today I have a watch from one of my favorite watchmakers, Pagani Design. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you know I'm a huge fan of Pagani Design. I really do love their watches. I've got a Pagani Design here. I have one here. I also have a Pagani Design here. I've got a lot of Pagani Design watches because I really, really do love the Pagani Design quality and the styling that you get. You really get a really, really good watch for the price. But let's take a look at this one that I got today. The one that I've got today is actually kind of similar to this Addy's Dive watch that I have right here, but I did really like the styling of the Pagani Design. But anyway, let's take a good look at it. Once again, I am not sponsored by Pagani Design at all. I do have affiliate links that I will post below. The affiliate link I will post for this watch is going to be for AliExpress, and you can pick this watch up on AliExpress using that affiliate link, and I do receive a small commission. Doesn't cost you anything more to use that affiliate link, but I do get the commission out of it, and that is very much appreciated. So let's open up this box and take a look at what Pagani Design has in store this time around. Okay. And like I said, I bought this because it was kind of similar to this watch here. It looked much closer online, but it is kind of a little bit different. I'm noticing that the orange markers in the indices are a lot darker on this watch here. This watch is very, very highly spec'd for the price. Let's get this plastic off so we can take a good look at it here. Now, this is an automatic watch with a sapphire crystal. As you can see, the sticker on the front says sapphire. Let's see if we can get that off. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is a very wonderful watch by Pagani Design. So let's take a really, really good look at it here. There we go. Very, very nice looking watch. It's got that sweeping second hand. It is a sorry, not a quartz. It is an automatic Seiko NH35A movement, or I'm sorry, NH35 movement on this thing. This is the 2024 Pagani Design PDYS005 watch. And the price on this is absolutely amazing for the specs that you get on this thing. It does have it's a self-winding automatic. See if it has that exhibition case. Actually, no, it does not. It does not have an exhibition case, but it does boast 200 meters of water resistance, which should make this suitable for diving. 20 bar water resistance. Stainless steel case, self-winding automatic. Beautiful markers, second hand sweeping, that hour marker with the huge arrow on the tip. Very, very nice watch. Everything turns nice and smooth, and if you notice the dial, it's like a two-layer dial with the numbers punched out of the top of the dial. Really, really nice, giving it that 3D effect. Really, really tight unidirectional bezel. I don't know if that's ceramic or not. Looks like it could be a ceramic bezel. I didn't see anything in the description that said it either way, but that really does look like a ceramic bezel. So let me know if you know anything about this watch and whether that's a ceramic bezel or not, but it really, really does look like ceramic. This watch is also available in black as well as this blue and orange color. Like I said before, stainless steel, 20 meters of water resistance. I'm sorry, 200 meters of water resistance, 20 bar. Sapphire crystal, automatic Seiko NH35 movement, and just a beautiful looking watch all around. I mean, this is a really, really nice watch. Let's see what we've got for lume on this thing as I hold it up to the light here. Kind of curious and see if the lume is orange on this thing. Kind of underimpressed with the lume on this thing, I'm going to have to be honest with you. Let's take a really good, hold it under the light for another couple of seconds. Yeah, not really too impressed with the lume on this thing. I would have figured that they would have had the indices illuminated as well, which would have been a really, really nice touch on this watch. But other than that, really nice quality for Pagani design here. I would definitely recommend this watch if you're not too into the illumination of the indices, but very, very nice watch all around nonetheless. Pagani design makes a great quality watch, and the price on this thing is absolutely amazing at under 70 bucks right now on AliExpress. And like I said before, I will be posting a link to that in the description below. That affiliate link will bring you right on over. You can choose between the black and orange or the blue and orange as shown here in the video. Really, really nice watch. Like I said, great quality, solid build on these things. Really, really a hefty watch that's not too heavy. Really nice watch, very solid bracelets. The side release on the milled clasp, really, really smooth machining on that. Very, very nice. These watches are very, very highly spec'd for the price, so you really can't go wrong with it. It even has the screw pins, screw type pins, so you can adjust it really, really easily. Just a very nice watch all around. It even comes with the screwdriver, guys. Comes with the screwdriver in the box. Also, you've got your instruction user's manual here, and it looks like a Pagani design guarantee card in the box as well. So guys, if you're in the market for a really, really nice dive watch that looks really, really smooth and retro, I'm going to have to say you want to pick up this Pagani design PDYS005 on AliExpress right now. This is the 2024 model of this watch. Once again, 200 meters of water resistance or 20 bar, stainless steel. This thing right now, 4.7 star rating on AliExpress. You can't beat it with the sapphire crystal and the Seiko NH35 movement. And look at that. It's like a raised sapphire crystal. Really, really nice watch all around. I could not recommend it more. The only drawback to this watch, like I showed you before, was actually that lume capability. I would really have loved them to have the lume on the indices as well as the numbers. But the only thing that illuminates on this watch is the second hand, the minute hand, and the hour hand. But once again, Pagani design, great looking watch, great quality watch. You can't beat it for the price. Like I said, right now on AliExpress, under 70 bucks, you can have this in your collection, and I would definitely recommend it. Very, very nice watch. So with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate the thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out this channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to my channel, you might want to check out that Dave the Shoe Man channel, my other channel, where I review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to men's footwear as well. So, with that said, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. Unless you're over on the other side, then I will see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have a great weekend.